Hey, it's Darnell with D-Grill, and I was over here at Lowe's and I just wanted to show you some of the new Genesis line of grills that they've got on display here. This one is $16.49. This is a Genesis it's a E325 435 line, S-325, S-435. I guess it's in that range of grill there. But the specific model is the E435. This is the E435, so this is the big one. And basically, you see it's got like some red knobs. They've changed the coloration a little bit on here. You've got a big space down here, and you put your tank over there on the side, so you got some storage. You got some side trays. Side tray over here doesn't move. Side tray over here has like a little, thing there for your griddle. Inside, this thing is huge. I mean, this thing is huge. So, I mean, you see like the 8.5 by 11s over here, and you got tons of space. You got a little circle here. I guess you can put like a little, maybe have like a pizza pan or something you can set in there to heat up pizza and such. But the thing's huge. It's got this huge rack here. Now, over here they've got another line that I noticed. This is the Smart Grill line. So this one here, this is the Genesis Smart EX-325s SLP is what they got next to the numbers there. But this one, it's got Wi-Fi. Now, you guys have seen on this channel plenty of my Weber Genesis 2, which has the Bluetooth with the iGrill 3. Well, now Genesis line has stepped it up. The Weber Genesis line is now on Wi-Fi, and they call it Weber Connect. And you can connect through the Wi-Fi. You see you've got the same kind of different color knobs here. They show you get a digital display now. So for your temperature, everything's digital. Again, you've got these side tables that don't move. Inside of this one, nice bit of size. I will say, for anyone wondering, I'm not here to buy a grill today. So no, I'm not planning on buying these grills. I'm pretty happy with the smoker, to be perfectly honest. So then we've got it in the blue. This is a EX-325, and it's blue. It's also got the Wi-Fi. Then you've got another one here. And this one is $11.29. This is the S-325. I should mention the blue one back here was $11.79. This big one here is $13.19 is the price on that big one that we saw. So just go inside here. So pretty nice size stuff. They've also got the Spirit line. I've done a review of the Spirit line before. But let's see what's over here. Here we've got another one. This is, let's see what this is. This is $11.29 for a Weber Genesis S-325. Looks like this one doesn't have the Wi-Fi, doesn't have all the digital stuff. This one has the old school, if you like that method for cooking your stuff. Otherwise, it's very similar. So basically for a few hundred more bucks, you could get the Wi-Fi hookup. I will say, you may not want the Wi-Fi hookup. You may just want to go with the old school, and maybe not have your business about what you're cooking going online, or possibly going to Weber or some other company or something, data brokers or whatnot, who knows. But they've got some other grills here. They've got some Spirits. But I definitely wanted to show you these new Genesis line of grills so that, if that's something that catches your eye, interests you, that you have options. So everybody have a good day and good eating.